Welcome back. I'm Pratap here. Today is the 10th October 2024. In this video, let us evaluate the performance of high liquidity zones generated in yesterday's end of the day report. Even before that, all of you please understand we are providing complete free training on supply demand zone price action. All the training lessons are available at our NeoStock YouTube channel. So at our channel homepage, you click on the tab posts. Some of you might be seeing the tab community. So click the tab, you get access to this post. This post is having a YouTube playlist link that will take you to all the training lessons. You just click on the link. Now we are into the playlist supply demand zone price action course. Here you have all the training lessons are available. You just need to scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here starting from lesson 1.1, all the training lessons are placed in an order. So please go through all these lessons one by one and strengthen your skills related to supply demand zone price action. I have also provided the link to our Telegram channel in this video description. So from the video description you can find the Telegram link and please join at our Telegram channel. It will be helpful to you each time when we release a new YouTube video or any other important updates we will be providing at our Telegram channel. Okay, now let's get into the analysis discussion. So yesterday end of the day report we identified 6 high liquidity zones for our today's trade point of view. Out of the 6, only one trade got triggered and that is a very good successful trade. So let's start with the successful trade, Oberoi Realty. This is a daily high liquidity supply zone. We have a drop, 2 base candles and then again a drop candle. This is not a base candle. This is a hidden zone. How it is a base candle? Just add the hidden body. There is a hidden body here. Then this entire thing is going to be a drop candle. That is the leg out candle. And then follow through candles. So this is the zone identified by our software. So this daily supply zone, this is a high liquidity supply zone. We need to fine tune with 75 minutes time frame. So that is what here we have a clear 75 minute structure. We have a drop, you have a base candle and then again a drop candle. And within this 75 minutes time frame, again you need to fine tune with 15 minutes time frame. So in the 15 minutes time frame, you have a rally candle, you have 2 base candles and again you have a drop candle. You may say this is looking like a rally. No, it is a failed ERC. The moment you add the hidden body, see from the previous close, you will be getting a drop, a very big drop until here, the dynamic view. Remaining candle looks like a wick, a long wick. So always remember, many times these hidden zones works very well. Because institutions, that is the way they are creating the zones to protect from normal supply demand zone traders. Many of these supply demand zone traders are not aware of these hidden zone or hidden body related concepts. Okay, next again this 15 minute zone fine tuned with 5 minutes time frame. You have a rally candle, you have a base candle. See again this is looking like a rally candle, right? No, it is a drop candle because from the previous close at the body. The moment you add the body, this is going to be a drop, a huge drop body it will get. And remaining everything is looking like a wick. So this is how you should understand the hidden bodies. So that means this fine-tuned 5 minute zone is a hidden zone. You are already aware of these concepts because the last 1 year we've been discussing these concepts in our everyday analysis. But every time why I am giving this explanation, because many new members are coming, they are listening the videos, they are learning the concepts, improving their skills. Sometimes people who learn also, again sometimes in ignorance, sometimes we miss such kind of zones. See, we have a fine-tuned 5-minute zone. See, today what happened? This is today's live market. Morning 9:30 candle, 5 minutes candle. The price has reached this fine-tuned 5-minute zone, then sharply came down, and finally they were reaching until this pro gap area. Because gap area we need to, if you draw the 15-minute zone, let me change the time frame to 15 minutes. Probably this will be your 15 minutes target zone. But here there is a pro gap area. Many times what happens when there is a pro gap area, prices just reach up to this pro gap or a little above, it will be started moving up. Just reach the pro gap or go a little below or maybe a little before, either anything will happen. So generally what happens, we take the entry from the pro gap starting area a little above, you add some buffer and we will exit. Generally these pro gap areas will be acting as targets. I already explained these concepts in phase 1 training program in lesson 6. Pro gap areas most of the times we will be using for defining the targets. Entry also you can take, but the problem is risk management is not easy. See, you need to take an entry in this blue color line. In case if anybody wants to plan a trade here, you need to take the blue color line. See, the stop loss you need to keep below this zone distal line. How much risk we need to handle? It's not easy. So that is the reason why the pro gap area I have drawn this blue color line just a little above. You can exit. See, at what time it reached the entry? At 9:35 minutes candle, and when it reached the target 9 o'clock 50 minutes. In just 20 minutes the trade is completed. How much profit it has given? Let me open the Excel sheet. Oberoi Realty has given 28,630 rupees profit as per one futures margin cost. And ROI as per one futures margin, the ROI is 10.2% profit. Margin cost of future is your investment. On that investment, we got 10.2% ROI we got during the intraday, that too in 20 minutes. You got 10%, this is a 10% ROI in just 20 minutes. And the rest of the day you might have planned when you exited at 950 candle. After that again your money is released, you would have invested in some other stocks. You might be asking only one HLQ zone is triggered. Okay, HLQ zone is only one stock is triggered, but there are other DIT trades might be there. You can plan intraday trade setups or any WIT trades also. You can take an entry and you might have exited during the intraday. Other stocks also you might have got some opportunity, trade opportunities. That's why in the reports I am displaying Nifty, Bank Nifty, supply demand zone chain and all the 4 income trades, bullish and bearish trade setups, HLQ zones. And all these reports will give you trade opportunities. Excuse me. Okay, anyway, but in this video I am evaluating only high liquidity zones. Why I am not focusing on other stocks is mainly HLQ zones. We are claiming we have 80% success rate. And average intraday ROI is around 6%. So that's why every day we are checking our data. Are we getting 80% success rate, or the ROI is getting near to the 6% or less than that or above that? Every month we are analyzing the data, not month wise. Every day we are analyzing, day wise we are analyzing. Last 1 year HLQ zones data, the proofs are available at our YouTube channel. Except July month I was not active, but still at some point of time I need to upload that data also. That is the only one pending month is available. Okay, this is about the trade we got success. Remaining we didn't get trade opportunities. Let me quickly go through some of these zones. Earlier also we fine-tuned. AU Bank is one such kind of zone. Previously we have fine-tuned this zone. This rally, 3 base candles, again a rally. This is a hidden body. If you add a rally candle, hidden zone. Next one is LTF, L&T Finance. This is again a drop base rally. This is also few days back I have analyzed this zones. Fine-tuned these zones few days back. I think on, if I am not wrong, on 8th October, we might have discussed maybe 8th October or 7th October, not 8th October, maybe 7th October. We have discussed about. Please refer that video. But today prices didn't enter into that fine-tuned area. Next one is Lalpat Lab. And this is a zone created in 2022. And you can't access fine-tuned 5 minutes zone. Data is not available in TradingView. So I have fine-tuned up to 15 minutes time frame. Because 5 minute zones are not there, we didn't plan any trades. But anyway, the prices also did not reach today. Did not enter into this zone today. And next one is Metropolis. So this is also a daily high liquidity supply zone, and even this zone is also created in the year 2022. The zone was created. And here also only up to 75 minute zone, the zone was fine-tuned. Let me show you, because this zone has to be violated very soon. The 75 minutes time frame identified a fine-tuned 75 minute zone in the daily high liquidity zone. So you have a rally, 1, 2, 3, 4 base candles and a drop. But go to the 15 minutes time frame, the structure is not really good. See here, have a rally candle, failed ERC candle. Can be used, a failed ERC candle can be used as a leg-in. But after that there is no base candle. Without base candle there is a drop. So such kind of zones will be violated because there is no institutional order flow. So that is the reason why we didn't plan any trade. Metropolis, we know that zone will be violated, but anyway prices also did not reach today. Probably next few days the zone may be violated, maybe. And Oberoi Realty already we discussed, and the last one is SBI Life. This is a 75 minutes demand zone. See here we have a leg-in medium size candle, rally, base, rally. This is the what software identified. This is fine-tuned with 15 minutes time frame. See here in the 15 minutes time frame you have a drop, you have 3 base candles and then a rally. This is the 15 minute zone. Within the 15 minute zone again identified a 5 minutes fine-tuned zone. So where is the exactly fine-tuned 5 minute zone? Here. So this is the rally candle, 3 base candles, rally. In case if you are convinced this is a leg-in candle, still you can draw a zone like this. The advantage is the risk also would be minimized. Either way, risk management point of view, this is you can consider. But this, if you want to consider, this is looking like a drop candle. If that is the case, again you have to draw zone like this. Draw base. This is not a, because it is a failed ERC candle, if you consider. But compared to all this, I am convinced this is a rally and 3 base candles. That way I have fine-tuned this. But either way is valid. But this zone is already tested recently. I think recently means yesterday only. Yesterday prices entered and after that see the movement. And today it continued further up. Okay, anyway, prices did not enter into this zone. Even if it is entered, we can't plan a trade because it is already a tested zone. So that is the reason why we didn't plan any trade in this particular zone. But anyway, prices also did not enter into this zone because this zone might be violated because it is having already a tested fine-tuned zone. Many times tested fine-tuned zones will fail. So this is about the high liquidity zones, how we fine-tuned. Hope this information will be useful to you. Let's all meet again in our next video. Thank you.